The two-seater Palermo dining benches are ideal when paired with our Palermo tables. However, you can easily mix and match with your favourite outdoor dining chairs. The bench frames are powder-coated aluminium. This lightweight, non-corrosive base material means that these benches can live outside without the worry of rust. Finished in a melange fabric, the Palermo range not only looks great but also helps disguise any marks or spillages, a likelihood with outdoor dining. We have applied a premium anti-UV treatment to the cushion fabric. This technical process provides a resistance to fading, essential in keeping the product outside looking great. To increase longevity, we do recommend storing the cushions under cover when not in use. Our lab-tested showerproof coating means any light rain or moisture will not be quickly absorbed into the material. Moisture will sit on the surface and can be simply pulled off and left to dry. This also provides an anti-stain and soil coating. Food spills and dirt won't be able to penetrate the fabric instantly, giving you time to do a quick and easy clean-up. Cleaning couldn't be easier. Simply spray with water and wipe with a soapy cloth. Then just let it dry naturally. We use the same density of foam in our outdoor range as we do for our indoor seating, giving you all the comfort of being inside while you're enjoying the sunshine. Discrete velcro tabs hold the seat cushions securely in place but can be quickly removed for easy cleaning and storage. All of our outdoor benches have removable cushion covers. These can be machine washed on a cool setting, but you should find with a melange fabric that a quick spot clean is all you need. Dining benches are a great alternative to garden dining chairs as they allow you to turn your garden into more of a room. You can sit more comfortably for longer and enjoy your outdoor space with all the home comforts of indoors.